Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Instagram story without a scene app or without them knowing that you viewed their Instagram story. So again, you go to Instagram application. Okay, just a moment. Okay, let me just. All right, here one. Okay, all right. So you're here. So right here, I'm going to view this person's Instagram account or story. All right. So as a default, they will know that you are viewing them because you just see it. But right now, I'm going to show you it's kind of bit little tricky and you need to do something. First of all, you need to go and activate airplane mode. Okay? All right. So once you're in airplane mode, you go back into Wi-Fi. And once you're connected, you go to Instagram and now you view that person's story again. But here's the thing. Once you're done, so that they will not know that you are viewing their Instagram story, all you need to do is to uninstall Instagram into your phone. And once you uninstall it, you reinstall it again. So I believe that it's kind of like a little work to do, but it's the only thing that you can do that one. Or we have a second step. Once you viewed that person's story, all you need to do is just to block that person. So there will be no possibilities that they will know that you've viewed their story. But the most good thing or easiest thing is to do the step one that I told you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps a little. Bye for now.